Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys voice tapping guys, how can be off. Friends, you don't want to use guys your Infinix phone guys phone voice tapping, so when you can off easily. And friends, now let's see how can be off Infinix phone guys phone voice tapping. Today friends, we will talk about it. So guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After phone setting, we will show guys our phone keyboard settings. So guys, we will show keyboard guys, means we will on it, and guys click on setting icon, and friends you can see voice tapping. So guys, we will tap here. Friends, you can see voice tapping is here. So guys, we will off. After of guys, you can see guys in your keyboard guys voice tapping will remove from here guys, you cannot use it. So like that guys, you can off guys your Infinix phone guys phone voice tapping setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to turn off guys Infinix phone guys phone voice tapping. So bye guys, and friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your phone keyboard, any settings? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.